Nice. Oh. Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Now today we are finally going to be getting the Passat inspected. But before we do that, we need to get some new tires on here because the front tires are pretty freaking bald. That one's not even the worst one. This one is even worse. Like, look how fucking bald that is. Horrible. So I thought before we go and get the new tires on, because the new tires are here, I got some Amazon specials. Now all four of these on Amazon were 350 bucks. They were the cheapest pair of tires on Amazon, but they had really good reviews. So I'm hoping that they're gonna be okay-ish tires. We will be testing them to see how well they perform over time. But before we go and get these installed and then go and get the car inspected, I figured we would try and do a burnout in the Passat, because the Passat already has two front bald tires. And I learned a little trick on how to permanently turn the traction control off by pulling a fuse under the hood. So I want to see with the mix of all of that, plus my little burnout juice I just made here, which is literally just really soapy water, if we pour this all over the tires, if it'll do a burnout. So that's what we're going to be going and doing now. Alright, so we are on location, the fuse is pulled, and as you can see, traction control is all the way off. So we're going to hand the camera off, and we're going to see what this thing can do. The most important part, my burnout juice, as it starts to pour.
By the way guys, I'm standing in the rain. My channel now.
Huh?
It's my channel now. Oh my god.
If it starts to only spin it,
Okay.
I would put it there.
I don't think so either.
I don't want to blow up my daily. Not gonna do it.
How do you feel about making me stand out here in the rain?
Alright you guys, so it is a couple of days later, and I am really surprised that the Passat wouldn't do burnouts, because just look at how absolutely bald this tire is. So we're about to go and get them changed, but I need to get all of these tires into the back of the Passat. Alright, so I got all the straps cut off them, and of course all of these are absolutely full of water now, so we gotta figure out how to get the water out before I put them in the car. Alright, we are all loaded up with all of the tires. They like just barely fit in here. I had to move Mr. Bow Wow up to the front. But yeah, let's go get this thing inspected the new tires on, and then I'll show you once it's done. Alright you guys, so it is the next day. I ended up having to drop the car off and pick it up the next day because they were very busy. But the car is now fully inspected and fully legal. It's got all new tires. As you can see all the way around. They didn't take the tape off on some of them, which I don't know why. It'll probably come off while driving. But yeah, whatever. But yeah, all tires are on. And I did just discover something. I found another place that it is leaking coolant from, but since it is now fully inspected, we can fully delete it. So probably the next video that you see of the Passat is going to be us deleting it, which I'm super freaking excited about. But it is also leaking from the oil cooler housing. I just come in here and get my makeshift hood latch, pull that guy open. But right here is the oil filter, and then as you can see there's the oil cooler right there, and if you look down you can see it's dripping, you can see it's wet like right all down there. And these leak because it is a metal cooler connected to a plastic oil filter housing, and somebody made a full metal one, so I'm probably going to order that and throw that on once we delete it. But this is where I am going to be ending off today's video. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.